Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install and run Odysseus AI. Odysseus AI is a powerful open-source AI assistant platform that allows users to run AI models locally, automate tasks, analyze files, and build custom AI workflows while maintaining greater privacy and control over their data. We'll install everything you need, including Git, Docker Desktop, Odysseus AI, and Ollama, so you can run AI models locally on your computer. Let's get started. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. The first thing we need to install is Git. Open your browser and go to git-scm.com. Click Download for Windows and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer. You can leave all settings at their default values and keep clicking Next until the installation is finished. After Git is installed, we're ready for the next step. Now let's install Docker Desktop. Open your browser and go to docker.com. Download Docker Desktop for Windows. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the installation wizard. If Docker asks to enable WSL2, allow it to do so. After the installation is complete, restart your computer if prompted. Launch Docker Desktop and sign in with a free Docker account. Wait until Docker Desktop shows that it is running successfully. With Docker running, we can now install Odysseus AI. Open PowerShell as administrator. You can do this by pressing Windows plus X and selecting Terminal, Admin, or by searching for PowerShell and choosing Run as administrator. Inside PowerShell, run the following command: git clone https://github.com/pewdiepie-archdemon/odysseus.git, press enter and wait for the repository to download. Once the cloning process is complete, move into the project folder by running cd Odysseus, press enter. Before continuing, you can verify that you're inside the Odysseus folder by running dir. You should see the project files listed on your screen. Next, create the environment file. Run copy.env.example.env, then press enter. If your version of Odysseus does not include a .env.example file, you can skip this step and continue with the installation. Now we're ready to start Odysseus. Run the following command: Docker compose up -d -build, press enter. The first startup may take several minutes because Docker needs to download containers and dependencies. Be patient while the installation completes. Once Docker finishes building and starting the containers, open your browser. In the address bar, enter http://localhost:7000, press enter. The Odysseus AI interface should now load in your browser. If you're prompted to log in and don't know the password, return to PowerShell and run Docker compose logs, press enter. Look through the logs until you find the generated admin password. Use that password to log into Odysseus. Now let's install Ollama so we can run local AI models. Open your browser and go to ollama.com. Download Ollama for Windows and install it. After the installation finishes, open Command Prompt. Run the following command: Ollama pull llama 3.1:8b, press enter. This will download the llama 3.18b model to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take some time. Once the model is downloaded, return to the Odysseus dashboard. Open the Setup section, choose Add Model Provider, select Ollama. If you're running Odysseus inside Docker, enter the following endpoint: http://host.docker.internal:11434/v1. If you're running Odysseus directly on Windows without Docker, enter http://localhost:11434/v1. Save the settings. Odysseus should now detect your Ollama models and allow you to use them directly inside the platform. And that's it. You have successfully installed and run Odysseus AI on Windows and connected it to Ollama. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.